According to the Gaza Health Ministry, a hit on the Al-Ali Arab Hospital in the heart of Gaza City resulted in at least 500 deaths. Thousands of people sought refuge at the hospital after being forced to leave their homes in northern Gaza because of Israeli bombings. Medicine, food, water, and electricity are running low for the stranded citizens of Gaza. The Palestinian Islamic Jihad's unsuccessful launch, according to the Israel Defense Forces, is what caused the explosion. From the analysis of the operational systems of the IDF, an enemy rocket barrage was carried out towards Israel, which passed in the vicinity of the hospital. When it was hit, the IDF stated. According to Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, the hospital attack was carried out by Gaza's brutal terrorists. However, a senior U.S. official told ABC News that as of now, we just don't know where the rocket came from. At the time, Dr. Ghassan Abu Sitta of Doctors Without Borders was working. There was a strong explosion, and the ceiling fell on the operating room, remarked the surgeon. This is a massacre. In a written statement released Tuesday night, President Biden expressed his fury and sadness over the explosion that occurred at the Al-Ali Arab Hospital in Gaza and the tragic deaths that followed. He stated, "I called with Prime Minister Netanyahu of Israel and King Abdullah II of Jordan as soon as I heard this news, and I have instructed my national security team to continue obtaining details about what actually occurred. The United States mourns the patients, medical personnel, and other innocents who were murdered or injured in this tragedy, and we stand strongly for the protection of civilian life throughout conflict." The attack on the hospital was denounced by the World Health Organization, which also demanded the immediate active protection of civilians and healthcare personnel. The WHO stated in a statement that this facility was one of 20 in the north of the Gaza Strip facing evacuation orders from the Israeli military. The order for evacuation has been impossible to carry out given the current insecurity, critical condition of many patients, and lack of ambulances, staff, health system bed capacity, and alternative shelter for those displaced. Early on Tuesday, the United Nations Relief and Works Agency said that the anticipated remaining fuel supply for Gaza's hospitals was less than 24 hours. Following the attack, Mahmoud Abbas, the president of the Palestinian Authority, has proclaimed 3 days of mourning.